JLPT, Japanese Language Proficiency Test, on 5 kanjis.
Right, let's learn one by one. This kanji mean
右
right,
वलद 右
similar types of this kanji. Kunyomi reading of this kanji.
右
Onyomi reading of this kanji.
ゆう
Let's see how to write this kanji. It's have 5 strokes. Compound of the kanji character. In this part, we are going to learn how to use kunyomi and onyomi readings.
右
right,
右側
right side,
右手
right hand,
右利き
right-handed,
右折
right turn,
右翼
right wing,
Meaning of similar kanjis.
古い
old,
名
name,
ゆう
exist, have,
左
left,
友
friend.
Thanks for learning with us. See you with next kanji lesson.